To restart your iPhone without using the screen, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button, and immediately after that press and hold the side power button, and keep pressing it until you see the Apple logo appear. This might take up to 20 seconds, so keep holding the button down, even if your screen goes black. You can do this even when the phone is locked, and it's a good way to reset things when your phone is still alive but the screen isn't cooperating. Once you see the Apple logo appear, you can release the side button and your phone will restart normally. If this didn't work, try charging your phone for at least 15 to 30 minutes, then repeat the process. And if still nothing happens, connect your phone to a computer. If it shows up on the computer, you can try a recovery mode restart. To do this on an older iPhone with a home button, press and hold the home button, and depending on your model, either the top or side button together. Again, keep holding until you see the Apple logo. And that's how you force restart your iPhone. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.